Is your organization or business thinking about research and development? The Fijian government's Research and Innovation Scheme for Enterprises, or RISE, can help expand your creative horizon. We are looking to support research projects that assist in the development of new and improved Fijian-made products and services in areas such as renewable energy and green technology, ocean and marine technology, ICT and business process outsourcing, telecommunications, health, medical, pharmaceutical and biotechnology, engineering and manufacturing, new product and process development. With up to $100,000 in grant, you can take your business to another level. For more information, visit www.rise.gov.fj. Rise with Us, a Fijian government initiative.